Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Kamogelo Makgabo from a company called Fratilli Lifestyle. We are based in two sections. We are in Alexander and also in Tembisa. We started our business in 2018. I started business because when I started my fast food shop, I manufactured my own furniture. So people, they started coming to see the furniture in the fast food, so they started ordering the furniture. So that's how I started the company called Fratilli Lifestyle. As Fratilli Lifestyle, we manufacture furniture from recyclable materials. Some of the furniture we sell it out to the customers, and some of the furniture we rent it out to the customers. The different part about our product is that we manufacture what the customer wants, and we manufacture according to customer specifications. That is why we are unique. If you want to contact us, you can just check us on WhatsApp. WhatsApp is 063-283 and 2333. I'll repeat, 063-283-2333. And for the Facebook page is Fratilli Life Space Style. I repeat, on Facebook is Fratilli Life Space Style. Hi, my name is Kamogelo Makgabo and I am a Township Entrepreneur.